Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Buds Air 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your earbuds are connected with your smartphone. Remove them from charging case. And now take a look at the earbuds. Tap twice on either earbud to play pause, answer call and end the call. Tap 3 times on either earbud to skip to the next song. Tap and hold to change noise cancellation mode. Also, tap and hold for 2 seconds to decline the call. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.